Hello there! Today we are learning the taping technique. If you've never tried this technique before, then this video is for you. Basically, taping can be defined as application of elastic bands. As a result, you decrease muscle hypertonus, improve circulation and blood flow. Regular application of this technique helps you to prevent wrinkles and get rid of existing ones. This technique is especially efficient if you use it together with a self-massage. Today we are going to learn the method that is especially good for beginners. So today you will need circles like this that you can cut out of elastic tape. They should be 4 to 5 centimeters in diameter. We are going to stick them in places where you have wrinkles. First, in the area between the eyebrows. Stretch the wrinkle between the eyebrows, if you have it of course, and stick the tape. After that, you are going to stick the tape on the lateral wrinkle of the forehead. Next tape is going on the area of nasolabial fold. Stretch it out and then stick the tape. Next we are going to work with a wrinkle under the lower lip. Hide your lower lip, stretching the skin and stick the tape. Next tape is going to the area of the depressor muscles. And the last tape is going to the area of the eye wrinkles. Again, stretch out the skin and stick the tape. One advice from my side, I would not recommend sleeping on the side while having the tape under the eyes, so that it doesn't break the skin in different places. Now repeat the same on the other side. You can stay with the tapes on from 3 to 8 hours. It's very important to unstick the tapes gently. First unstick a little piece, then continue very slowly and gently. If you found this video interesting, like it, share it with your friends, leave us comments.